Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the 4 Torx screws on the back. Use the correct driver so you don't strip them. Once done, insert a plastic spudger at the seam near the USB port and pry slowly. This prevents clips from snapping. You should hear soft clicks as clips release. Make sure to work around the perimeter, lifting evenly to avoid bending the shell. Keep screws and small parts in a labeled tray or magnetic pad so reassembly is clean and fast. Once the shell is open, lift it just enough to access ribbon and battery cables. Do not yank the halves apart. You will find ZIF connectors. Use plastic tweezers or a fingernail to flip the locking tabs, then slide ribbons out. Next, remove the small screws securing the battery and main PCB. Keep track of screw lengths and locations. This step exposes the triggers, sticks, and haptics, and doing it carefully prevents connector damage that would stop the controller from powering or transmitting inputs. You now lift the PCB to access thumbstick modules, trigger assemblies, and paddles. Note each part's orientation for reassembly. Replace or clean components with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. When reinstalling, reseat each ribbon fully and flip the ZIF lock so contacts are secure. Once reassembled, if the controller is non-responsive, reopen and double-check ribbon seating and the solder joints near the USB and battery pads. Cold joints or misaligned ribbons are the most common faults and are quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.